Hey, man.
What's up, man?
Damn, bro. You still wearing them Crocs, bro?
Goddamn right,
You're like Lightning McQueen, man. Show me them moves again, bro. We didn't catch. Ooh, cat. All right, chillax. You gotta chillax.
Ooh, they start catching fire and shit.
Welcome back to another vlog. More sedan E30 drift progress. All right? They may be asking themselves, George, why do you have 2 calipers but no handbrake?
Why are there so many?
Why are there so many?
¿Por qué no los dos?
Ah, man, let's show them, man. What's going on, right?
Plate, bro.
That is a metal plate.
Are you sure about that?
See, this one's all welded up in there.
Yeah, man. They're probably wondering, like, man, what is this? Is a cup holder.
This must be a cup holder.
It is a cup holder.
Cup holder for a weird kind of cup, though. Oh, dude, damn, he fancy, man.
I'm a little fancy today, bro. So I got Chase Bay's complete E30 Hydro with E30 brake lines.
Steel braided, nice Johnnies.
I had an eBay Hydro, and it was just way too inconsistent. I didn't like that, so I opted out with their plate. Screws are gonna go on there like so, and then bam, there's my Hydro, man. So the way Chase Bay's advertiser install is that let's just throw it in, man. We gotta show them.
Our brake handle's gonna go here, as advertised.
And then this line is gonna go
To the banjo right there.
yeah, and then bring it back, man. Bring it back. So that's gonna go off and tee off here, right?
To that T-fitting.
To that T-fitting, and then this T-fitting is gonna go off to these little doodads right here. And these doodads, they come
Well,
with
hold on. This looks confusing. We're inside the car. This is gonna be underneath the car. We're gonna drill a hole.
No. This is gonna stay over the car.
Oh, we drill holes for this fitting to
Exactly. Yeah.
Into
So
there.
somewhere around this point, right here on the chassis, we're gonna drill a hole that's the size. It's gonna be the size of this fitting here. There you go. It's gonna be the size of that fitting. That's gonna go through the chassis. We'll pretend this is the hole. That's gonna go through the chassis, and this nut is gonna hold on this side of the metal, and then that is gonna hold on the other side of the metal.
Go get clamp.
And it's gonna get clamped, and it's gonna create the seal.
Insert Futurama meme. Who's that clamp guy? Mr. Clamp. All right, so we're sitting here with the calipers, and we are making sure our fittings are gonna go in correctly.
We have great news.
Good news.
I didn't even know if the fitting was gonna fit into the Mercedes caliper, because my secondary calipers are Mercedes, but I guess it's all German or foreign or not American, you know. So it's gonna fit in just right. So this line goes somewhere here. I believe the hole we make is gonna be right along. So you see this little, get the camera up here, like, yeah. So you see this rubber grommet right here? That rubber grommet is this Johnny boy right here. And so we're probably gonna just drill like right next to it, and then that'll come through right here and then go straight into the caliper. And it should work out pretty money, actually. I'm getting excited, bro. You ready to pull that Hydro today?
Soy muy excited. Look at those door cards, man. We did that. Anyways, we got the line all set. Obviously, it's not gonna go way over here. We're gonna drill a hole right now next to that rubber grommet, like we said. We got the drill bit we need. We got the, the PPE over here. Drill it, send it. Don't even think twice, dude.
What's under here? What's happening?
Oh!
Oh, what? Hold on, no, stop.
No.
Cut the camera, man, cut it.
Oh no.
A lot of boring math later.
We've got our lines ran. They in there. Locked down, dodging the springs. There you go.
G, easy. Now, I guess my only complaint is that the holes on both sides, like, they're not perpendicular, adjacent, whatever you want to call it. They're just
They're not parallel.
They're not
Perfect.
parallel. per the perfect. But yeah, that looks good. It's super locked in. I'm probably gonna.
Let me zip tie that Johnny for you. Grab the old zipper doodle.
Nah. Whatever.
There you go.
Yeah, that works. Whatever.
Take a look in here. Oh, wow. Fancy boy. Wow. Lines are all done.
Line runs right under the extinguisher, goes off into the T. T's bootlegly zip tied, but you know what? Don't pay attention to that. All right, I can get those little line clips where it's like a little Phillips bolt and then just.
You mean zip ties?
No.
No, I think you mean zip ties.
Okay, so we're good. So here's the setup. We got a 9mm, because that's the size of this Mercedes caliper, my secondary caliper, not the OEM. The OEM I believe is 7. We got a 9mm on the caliper. We got a see-through hose so I can see what's going on, and that's gonna spill into the thing. What's gonna happen is, as Don's pumping this, I'm gonna tell him to hold it, and when he holds, I'm gonna open up the bleeder, and then all the fluid's gonna push out, and then I'm gonna close the bleeder. Once I close the bleeder, Don lets go, and then he continues pumping with the bleeder closed, and we're gonna do that process, over and over.
All right, I have already felt the e-brake because I was the one pulling it while it bled. We just finished bleeding it. And this is going to be George's first reaction to his chase race.
Are you ready? I'm doing this like I'm a YouTuber right now, okay? Oh my God! It feels good, I'm just kidding. No, but for reals. Oh, dude.
So much better than the old one.
Yes. Like this is...
It looks like it has a bunch of play, but like it's stiff right there. It
the
feels
play
so
is
good.
just from
The
these
joints.
pins or whatever, the joints. I was gonna add washers, but Don made a good point. Like I'm pretty sure they knew that it's kind of loosey boys, and it's probably like that on purpose, just so this can freely move. So I'm not gonna add the washers. I'm just gonna let it be.
Figured the guys at Chase Bays knew what they were doing, so figured we shouldn't mess with it. That's just my thought. Oh yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we in the race car now, man. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There it is. I think it works.
I think it does work. I'm gonna try to do a 180 somewhere.
Manny out here getting my Crocs dirty. Oh yeah, that thing works.
Get in, loser. We're going shopping.
We going drifting.
Yeah, man. All right, well, you guys saw the brake works.
Yeah, man, lines, they're not leaking. They're solid.
All good.
Perfect, man. Zoom in on that. Get in on that, man. Look at that. Yeah. But anyways, little short and sweet video. Don, thank you as always.
Hell yeah,
Good
man.
stuff.
Yeah, man.
As always, thank you for watching.
Comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, tell your friends.
Tell your friends, man.
Friends.
Tell your mom, man.
And check out Chase Base, guys. That shit is woo, 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 woo.
Nah, don't
But
say-
anyways, subscribe. You know what to do. Love you guys. Catch you later. Bye.